Now you can definitely hear it.
Yeah, that's on comfort mode. See, it's a lot louder than before.
Yeah.
Huh? Like dip.
Way louder, and you're in a low.
I just cranked it up right now. I'm just waiting for this guy to leave.
They're gonna be like, "Oh, this guy's driving so crazy." This thing's scary. Wow.
You feel the difference?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Because I was a little disappointed. I'm like, I don't know if I feel the difference.
You weren't even stepping on it.
Today, right now, I pinned it for the first time.
Oh no, I felt it. Yeah. Yeah, I was already getting used to the other one. Now it actually pulls me like onto this.
The only thing,
Uh-huh.
I don't like how the exhaust sounds anymore.
It's not as like
Like
loud or
it's loud, but
rumbly, right?
It sounds more like a loud Mustang or a Camaro or like a Challenger. The high gear friggin' kicks like look at this.
Wow. Oh wow. No.
You're like, oh my god, I'm so happy.
It's the air.
Oh man.
It doesn't feel restricted anymore.
No, it's not restricted at all.
Like I remember back then when you would do the downshifts,
Oh.
it sounded very like I don't know, like the gurgles,
Oh.
you know? Now it just sounds cleaner, like it's just like full.
No, I feel, you know what? Yes, you're right.